Okay, this is Harold from How To Solutions with another short review video. This new software is called Storm. And as you can see by my screen, that this is a $39.9 billion breakthrough that pays us for copying and pasting. That's what the producers of this software are telling us. The man behind this, his name is Venkata Ramana, and he is the producer of Storm. As you can see here, it is a one-click app that he says pockets us $25 to $50 every 5 minutes for simply copying and pasting. Just whenever we want more profits, we rinse and repeat. So here on the sales page, he says we're enjoying PayPal Cash on demand, and he said they have made over 204,942.09 with Storm so far. This is just one click for us to start receiving profits. Because there's thousands of users already making money with this software, and even fresh off the street beginners are profiting. So, and he says get paid $250 if you don't make money with Storm, and there's 180-day money back guarantee. Okay, what's the price of Storm? Storm is $17 one time. Okay, there's a free iPhone 13 giveaway. He says here that they're giving away 10 iPhone 13 to the first 150 buyers of Storm. Of course, you better hurry. So, what if you could earn $25 to $50 every 5 minutes? He's asking, what it would look like, something like that. Is it possible by exploiting a $39.9 billion loophole? Okay, let's see what else we got here. Says you don't need to pay for anything extra. All you need is a copy of Storm. We're making money from complete 100% scratch. So that means no paying for hosting, traffic, autoresponders, or domains. In fact, he says you don't even need a website. So Storm does all the heavy lifting for you under one hood. So we're just 4 steps away from receiving $25 to $50 payment with Storm. He says it's so easy that a 12-year-old could do it. Okay, let's see what's going on here. What's the step? Step 1, grab Storm. So you grab Storm and click any buy button on this page. Now you get Storm at the lowest price. Sure. Step 2, activate. Turn on the Storm monetization system with just one click of your mouse. Step 3, copy and paste. Start copying and pasting to exploit the $39.9 billion report. And step 4, get paid. We're receiving $25 to $50 payments over and over in our PayPal accounts. Okay, so are you ready, he says, for an endless stream of $25 to $50 payments? Of course, you should. We're being told to grab our copy of Storm today. And once again, we're reminded of the free iPhone 13 giveaway. And so you just rinse and repeat. So we've got some testimonials by other users of Storm. Julia B said she couldn't be happier. Yeah. Neil F, Jack U. Okay, let's go further and see what else we got. He's talking to people who are just starting out. Okay. Okay, and we've got a little bit about Venkata himself. Shows you pictures of his parents and his brothers. And let's see, go back up here. His sisters, there's his aunts, his uncles, and his cousins. They were a motivation to level up in life, he said. And so we're here, he's telling us a little bit about his story and how things are going. So we're going to go a little further. But he didn't give up. And now he's had this breakthrough. So now let's see what else there is. Yes, it's allowing him to live the laptop lifestyle. So what is this all about? In fact, he says, you don't even need a computer. You can use an iPhone, an iMac, an iPad, an Android, Windows, or a tablet. And he's doing this while he's traveling, at the store, shopping, or on the couch. And of course, he says, do you want to join? Okay, so once again, we're reminded that we're 4 steps away from having the success that he has had. Shows us some stuff about not worrying, some pictures of the good life. Sure, we want to put an end to struggling forever. So this, he says, in introducing the world's first one-click and copy paste profit system. Now he's got a list of 11 reasons why you should pick up a copy of Storm right now. Number 1 is quick, easy, no complex setup. The price rises with every new member that joins. This is a limited time offer, so he'll be closing the doors soon. He says we're enjoying $25 to $50 PayPal payments every 5 minutes. You can copy and paste your way to success. You can exploit a $39.9 billion loophole. You can join the top 1% that actually succeed. You can profit from many devices such as a Mac, Windows, Android, or iPhone. There have been 54 beta testers that have made money. You get a 180-day money-back guarantee. And you get paid $250 if you don't profit with Storm. That's a big item there. Okay, so once again, Storm is launching. It will be live tomorrow. There's a one-time payment of $17. There is a free iPhone 13 giveaway. He's giving this away to the first 150 buyers of Storm. Okay, so what else are we going a little more? It only takes 5 minutes to set up. Yeah, that's good. Finally, your chance to ignite your online success like never before. Okay, it sounds great. Now, the question, how much will storm cost? Well, we went over that. That's $17 one time. And got it. He's saying that the time is of the essence. And definitely, if you want to be one of the first people to get one of those i13, those iPhones. Yep. 150, the first 150 will get an iPhone. Okay, so what else can we find? So he's saying you're getting everything you need. You get the Storm brand new system. And you can take advantage of Storm on any device, including Windows, Mac, and even Android or iPhone. You get the Storm one-click monetization. You can monetize Storm with one click. This is a great secret sauce of Storm. It's what allows us to get paid $25 to $50 on PayPal every 5 minutes, he says. You also get the Storm copy and paste technology. This makes it possible to make money by copying and pasting. It's all thanks to the copy and paste technology built into the core of Storm. You also get step-by-step training. You'll receive detailed step-by-step videos showing all the steps you need to make the most out of Storm. And finally, you get Storm world-class support. Have any issues with Storm for some odd reason, there's no need to worry. Our team of dedicated support agents are ready to do everything in their power to help you get results. So what else do we have? And he says to sweeten the pot, we're going to throw in some bonuses, some free bonuses. First bonus is Storm Drive. This app gives you unlimited cloud hosting for free. No longer will you have to be held hostage by Google or Dropbox and give them hundreds every year. That sounds good. Storm Send. You get Storm Send, bonus number 2. Tired of paying monthly fees for autoresponders? Then don't. With Storm Send, you get to send unlimited emails to your subscribers for free with this bonus. Sounds good too. And bonus number 3, Storm Funnels. Of course, they're all good. They're free. Storm Funnels, your bonus number 3, another great tool made by the Storm development team. This serves as a free replacement to your funnel builder, allowing you to save thousands of dollars yearly. Yep. Bonus number 4, YT Nation. Yeah, okay. And it says YT Nation, most complete marketing solution for YouTube ever created. All right. And the final bonus is SB Nation. Obviously, this is probably a Facebook. Let's see. SB Nation is a social media marketing tool that allows and helps you to easily auto post, schedule Instagram posts along with Facebook, Twitter, and many more. Okay, so it combines a lot. It's just not Facebook. You can post them to a lot more social media platforms. It also can manage multiple social networks, schedule your posts, increase your traffic, and engage your audience. Okay, that was bonus number 5. And of course, there's a special bonus here. Well, what's going on? Yes, he's giving away 10 iPhones to the first 150 buyers of Storm, which has been mentioned before. Okay, so if you're interested in purchasing your copy of Storm, there's going to be a link in the description below this video, and where you can get access to the sales page, and you can, in fact, purchase Storm. So thanks for stopping in and checking out my video, my review, and We'll see you next time.